If you are identified to your mind, right? If you are fully identified to your mind, then I don't care what you say, you are suffering. Because mind is suffering. You see, we tend to overuse the mind. And we use it for purposes that is so irrelevant that we tend to abuse the mind. And as we abuse the mind, we are being abused. Because mind, we must be the master over the mind, not the mind be our master. Because if that's the case, you will be suffering. That's why we can only use the mind to function sanely and intelligently. That's the purpose of the mind. For me to go to the shop and buy some milk. But what we do, I buy the milk. Now I think the milk is sour. Now I think I'm gonna get poisoned by the milk. You see, we're adding things to the experience that is actually creating suffering. Because we must discipline the mind. The reason some people live in suffering. Oh, let me just show you this beautiful walk here with the birds. Sorry for that now.